What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick one on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. But let me show you what I said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Now, this accumulation is big enough. Now, again, very important to see a breakout. Breakout above will be a signal the price will push up and continue to push up. And breakout below will be a signal the price will likely to push lower. That is why it is called a decision or accumulation area, from where we can expect and see how the buyers and sellers decide to push the price higher or lower. If it broke below, then I'm going to start to look for the pullback entry bearish. Let's see how it breaks above or below. Will decide where the price is heading towards. Nice one. So first I want to mention this candle right here, as I've got some messages from traders that if this is a valid bullish engulfing pattern. Now that is a valid bullish engulfing candle, but that is not one of my valid bullish engulfing entry. If you're my student and if you have finished your pullback entry section, then you know that one of the rule has not met. So I wouldn't have been taking this as an entry, and that is an invalid entry pattern. If there was an entry, I would have informed you guys in my yesterday's video. So I was not looking at, I was just instead looking for the breakout above or breakout below. That's why I mentioned yesterday that it is a decision zone and the breakout will decide its direction. So as the price broken below, as now we have a very good chance and likely chance the price will now likely to push down to the anchor level and a minor support level, which is right here. In case you want to mark these on your charts, it is 1.873 goes to 1.953. I'm going to go through other platforms as well. So it is a minor support from where we can expect some bounce out of, not major bounce, could be, but from minor zones we can expect some bounces and then continuation towards the downside. So if we get a condition here, we can go for the little scalp and then exit, look for the next entry confirmation. For now, I'm only looking for the pullback entries bearish, as price is broken below 50 and 20 EMA on both daily and 4-hour time frame. So if I see a pullback below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfing pattern, if we have that, in that case I'm going to go short. Bearish engulfing candles look something like this. If we have this below 50 EMA, that will be my sell signal, and I'll go for the sell trade using 1 ATR for the initial targets. Right here, as you can see, ATR numbers, and you can manage it to 2 ATR if you want to manage your trades. And I'm looking at this level for the possible bounce out of and conditions for buy trades, something like this. If we have that, that was a possible signal the price will likely to bounce up from here. Otherwise, the major zone is quite lower and quite far, which is right here, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming video. Let's see how it goes. We are broken below and looks like price is going to push down from here to the next minor support. Here on capital.com, we have a level below, which is a minor support here as well. Right here it's to 1.958, goes up to 2.055, from where we can expect a possible bounce out of. For now, just looking for the bearish pullback entry. If you have a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, in that case we are good to go short, as price is broken below the previous low right here. If this candle is closed, which is very important, when it is closed, we look for the pullback and bearish engulfing entry. So I'm not looking for buy trades anymore as long as we are below 50 and 20 EMA. Until we are not in this level or until the price dramatically push up above 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for the buy trades. For now, just pullback entry bearish until we are in this level to look for the next possible conditions. Here on Oanda, price pushed down exactly the same. A level below, which is the anchor support, a level which is 1.893, goes to 1.969, from where we can expect a possible bounce out of. Otherwise, just pullback entry bearish short term only until we are in this area, until we get a condition to buy in this area of value. So for now, just pullback followed by bearish engulfer. If we have that, we're going to take short trade. Otherwise, I'm just waiting to see a possible condition, either bearish trades or bullish trades, short term with a bounce, and then we're going to look for the next level of support. For now, just looking at the conditions. Once we have a condition, only then we're going to take a trade. And remember, without condition, we are not entering the trades. And we have a good example that we had just range right here, sideways movement. Then the price decide to break lower, means the price wants to push lower and does not want to continue to push up in a trend. That's why conditions are very important to look for your entries. Next up, we have silver. Sorry, I forgot to add silver in my yesterday's analysis, but I've also posted silver analysis on my Telegram channel with the full analysis. If you are not in my Telegram group, feel free to check that out. The link is in the description so that you can also see some updates which I post on Telegram channel. Now at this point, silver is above 50 and 20 EMA, and that is not a valid bullish engulfer, in case you're wondering, which was also mentioned yesterday in my Telegram channel, and price pushed down. Now at this point, red and green candle, that is what I'm interested in. Once we have that, we are good to go long. Only pullback entry bullish. Even if we have red candle that closed down to 50 EMA, then very next candle closed back up above 50 EMA, that will be my buy signal. So only to look for buy twist, either we get a condition here. If not, then once we are broken above this high, then with the pullback, I want to see a pullback entry bullish and keep on taking long. So either here or above this high for the possible buy trades. The next one for me to take my counter trend trades for sell, it is 31.27 goes to 31.97, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trades with a condition like bearish engulfers or double top entry patterns. So keep an eye, as long as we're above 50 and 20 EMA, we're only looking for pullback entry bullish. Here on gold, that would be a valid pullback entry bullish, and that certainly did not play out and price just pushed lower. That would be a stop loss, but at this point we are still above 50 EMA. So what I'm looking at a possible exactly bullish engulfer, as we are looking for silver. If you have small red and a bigger green candle, in that case we have a buy signal. But looking at the condition, I can't see or find any valid bullish engulfing pattern. But we are now in the anchor level. So in this anchor level, if the price forms a bullish engulfing pattern or double bottom pattern, in that case that will be also a signal that price will likely to push up. You can also look for your double bottoms on 1 hour time frame. That will look something like this. If we have a bullish engulfer at this rejection area, in that case we are going to go long from here as well. So look for double bottoms on 1 hour or on 4 hour time frame. Once we have a bullish pattern above 50 EMA, only then we're going to go long. We are still bullish for gold, not selling as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA. Once we have a condition, we're going to take our trades as well. Lastly, we have crude oil. It's bouncing up from the level of support, but we do not have a valid double bottom pattern. But it did bounce up from the support area, which was a minor support. But if you look here on daily time frame, which was mentioned a couple of videos ago, right here, and that is also becoming a valid double bottom pattern. Let me clear this charts for you. So with that, we have the first bottom right here, and we have a pullback. Then we have a second bottom, now in a formation of double bottom. So if this candle turns to be a green candle, that will be aggressive double bottom, not a less aggressive double bottom. So green candle will be a double bottom, and price will likely to push up at least to 50, 20 or 50 EMA on daily time frame. But on 4 hour, we still don't have a valid double bottom, but it is a valid anchor level. So expect some bounce, and bounce can be till 50 EMA. And if you have broken above 50 EMA with good momentum, only then we're going to start to look for the pullback entry bullish. If not, if price forms a bearish engulfer here, then expect another push down. So 50 EMA will decide if the price is going to push up or not, with condition like bearish engulfer. If there is no condition, I'm going to go short if we have a bearish engulfer. Otherwise, on daily time frame, wait for the price to close. Once we are closed, we can have a stop loss here. Take profit can be 1-to-1 initially if you are looking at the long term trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If you have, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.